Do you clean apartments, townhouses, or units for presale too?
Absolutely. We regularly perform presale cleaning for apartments, townhouses, and units across Melbourne. Whether you're selling a one-bedroom apartment in South Yarra or a 3-level townhouse in Richmond, we tailor the service to your layout and access. We understand the specific needs of multi-residential properties, including limited space and shared entryways, balcony and window access restrictions, strata rules for rubbish access and water use, elevator and lift considerations. Our apartment presale clean typically includes kitchen, bathroom, and laundry, detailing all floors vacuumed and mopped, balcony or terrace swept and wiped down, windows cleaned, interior and exterior if accessible. Wall spot cleaning and appliance degreasing. We're trusted by homeowners, landlords, and real estate agents because we know how to make small spaces feel open, bright, and buyer ready.